So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how to fix iOS 18 beta not showing on iPhone devices. Lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issue that they can't see iOS 18 developer beta update after releasing iOS 18. So in this video I will show you how you can get that beta update on your iPhone and also iPad. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. In settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update and wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can see appears on screen there is no iOS 18 beta update showing here right now. Make sure you are sign in with your Apple ID to join the beta program. After joining the beta program, you can see appears on screen in the bottom second option beta updates showing here right now. Just tap on beta update and you can see appears on screen here are showing iOS 18 developer beta. Just select it and after that you can easily get that update on your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how you can get iOS 18 beta program on your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.